What's up, gang? This your boy Taylor, man. What's going on? What's going on? Golf cart conversations. Waking up in the morning, guys. I like to, tap in with nature and just reflect on how interesting life is. You know what I'm saying? I want you guys to be successful and make a lot of money like how I did. As a matter of fact, I made so much, I don't care about money anymore. And I think you guys should get to that point in life. And it takes many, many years to get there. So I want you guys to understand that and realize I look tired because that's how many years I've been pushing out effort, follow-ups and emails and making money and traveling and eating and makeups and breakups, relationships and all kind of stuff, man. But at the end of the day, I want you guys to learn from what I did, and the only way to do that is to talk to you every day. So it's just a little golf cart conversation, and I want to inspire you, I want to motivate you, I want to give you guys some insight, and trust me, I'm still working. I might not be out in the field doing house calls and invoices and follow-up on products and services, but I'm monitoring my businesses which are doing those things. I found a way to automate. And automate can mean anything, not necessarily AI. You know what I mean? AI is just a tool. Automate can mean you outsourced it. You got partners involved for a percentage, or you're just not really involved. You're the decision maker. Sorry, decision maker. Me, I automated mine from e-commerce. So I linked real estate to storefront, and people can go online, see properties, make a purchase, lock in a deal. And all I gotta do is like a tour, or showing, emails back and forth, and I get paid. You know what I mean? So I'm basically paid more off of my credibility and my online presence, not necessarily, my passive investments. The passive investments is one thing. Like if you have a couple of houses that are autopilot, it's passive income. You got a manager, you got follow up, you got maintenance, you're good. You know what I mean? But you just want to figure out a way to get there. You know what I'm saying? Like you don't want to be rich. You want to make enough money to tickle your pickle. Once you get that feel of what it feels like to make that money that you've been craving. Let's say it was like 100,000 or 10,000. Once you make that, immediately you get this boost of energy, and then once you realize it wasn't as important as you thought, you flatline, and you get a small little boost, and you flatline. And you're gonna notice you keep coming back to this flatline, and that flatline is your peace and your happiness, your good nights, your rest, your sleep, your days off. You know what I mean? Your meditation, your time for family, your time for your mom, your grandma. So it's not all about money, guys. You gotta find that balance while you're hustling. Don't burn bridges. Don't hurt people. Don't cuss anybody out. Don't flip the lid. Don't do anything illegal. Don't do anything that's gonna hurt you in the long run, because everybody will get rich. I can guarantee you the fact that you're on YouTube and you're following entrepreneurs and people that have done it shows you're gonna get rich. You know what I'm saying? But just make sure when you're done making your money that you have residuals coming in through automation, and you found peace and you kept it and didn't let anyone get in between it. And if it takes, buying a piece of land for like 5 or 10 grand and getting a cabin on there on the water, similar to what I did, that's all you got as a possession, that's it. You did it, bro. That's happiness, bro, because it's something that you can live off of forever and not have to worry about people trying to take it from you. You know what I mean? It's that comfort and that awareness that I made it. This is my proof. I'm good, whether if I'm making money or not. You know what I mean? And as the cost of living goes up, try to increase your prices and your hustle. That way you can keep up with the economy. That's pretty much it, man. I just want to keep you guys motivated. I'm here just chilling out, having a day off. I take about 3 days out of the week just to chill to myself and my lot. And I just meditate, man. I work out, I eat, I sleep, I rest, I research, I watch TV, I catch up on Instagram, I do emails, and I just vibe out. We take golf cart rides and we just chill. So if you guys got any questions, man, you want to send me an email, link in my bio, hit me up. I'm here every day, all day for you guys. See you later.